Compare baking coconut flour with egg yolk versus egg white versus whole egg. Break a whole egg into first cup. Only egg white in second cup. Only an egg yolk into third cup. Remove the accidentally fallen egg yolk from second cup. Add 2 teaspoons of coconut flour to the first cup, whole egg. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut flour into second cup, egg white. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut flour into third cup, egg yolk. Stir to mix together. Bake for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes of baking, let them cool down for a while. Comparison time. First cup, whole egg plus coconut flour. Rises the most and biggest cracks. Soft texture. Second cup, egg white plus coconut flour. Soft texture and cracks less. The most tasteless and colorless in comparison. Third cup, egg yolk plus coconut flour. Rises the least. Driest texture.
Ingredients: an whole egg, an egg yolk, an egg white, coconut flour.